Good morning, boys and girls. This exciting lesson on how to do multiplication 3 ways will be recorded just in case we want to see it later. Today we're going to multiply 78 times 53 standard algorithm style. 8 times 3 is 24. I carry my 2. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2 is 23. I use a 0 placeholder. And I go to my tens place. 5 times 8 is 40. I cross out my old regrouping. I carry the 4. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 4 is 39. I add my partial products. 4, 3, 11, carry the 1, 4,134. However, I never was really multiplying 5 times 8. I was multiplying 5 tens times 8 ones. I was multiplying 5 tens times 7 tens. It can be a little confusing. And often, I'll ask students what their product is, and they will give me 4 or 5 different answers in my class. Let's start over with another style. That was traditional algorithm. Our new style is going to be partial products. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. And in my rectangle, I'm going to divide it into, say, 4 areas. And class, do you remember what the problem was for that again? Thank you. I'll put 50 plus 3 and 70 plus 8. So I've broken apart my 78 and my 53. In this box, I will multiply 50 times 70. In this box, I'll multiply 50 times 8. Can you see how I'm doing that? In this box, I'll multiply 70 times 3. In this box, I'll multiply 3 times 8. When I'm using partial products, I like to identify what I'm actually working with. At this point, I'm working with 5 times 7. That's why we work so hard on math facts, to make it easier for ourselves later. 5 times 7, I can boil that right down. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. There we go. Now I'm working with 5 times 8. That's 40. How many zeros to add? Now I'm working with 7 times 3, which is 21. How many zeros to add? So easy. 3 times 8 is 24. These are partial products of 53 and 78. If you break them apart, I need to add right over here in this column 3,500 plus 400 plus 210 plus 24. 4, and I go right down my column, and 3 and 9 and 11, and I regroup. 4,134. Is that the product that we had on the traditional algorithm? Okay, great. So once again, I need to remember what I'm doing. We are going to try it one more way. 53 times 78. This time, we're going to use 53 times 78. This is the lattice method and commonly used in Europe. What we need to do is create a box where each number has a column. So this will be the 3 column right here. And let's see if I can get this for just a second. I'm going to multiply 3 times 7 in this box. In this box, I'm going to multiply 5 times 8. Did you get it? In this box, I'm going to multiply 3 times 8. And in this box, I will multiply 5 times 7. Okay, I need to erase this and start over because I've got a bit of a mess. Or maybe I could just back up a bit. Hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, not working. Start over. Okay. 53. I'm working fast. I want to keep this video under 5 minutes. You can watch it at home if you forget what to do. You can watch it at school if you want to be reminded. Now, what's really important here is to divide each box in 2 because a lot of our products are going to be 2 digits. And if they're not 2 digits, we'll make them into 2 digits. Class, what's 3 times 7? There we go. Class, what's 3 times 8? Class, what's 5 times 7? Class, what's 5 times 8? So each box is divided into two places. And now what we're going to do is kind of use these water slides. We will go water sliding down. That's why I like the lattice method, because actually it's kind of fun. Alrighty. So now I'm going to add 4 plus nothing equals 4. 1 plus 2 plus 0 equals 2 plus 5 equals plus 4 equals 11. So I put the 1 of my ones place and I regroup the 10 up here. And 3 plus 1 equals, so I look at my number and I kind of go this way. What have I got? 4,134. There we go. Lattice method.